I was walking into a Walmart upstate and I noticed they had several kayaks on display for sale. One of them caught my eye. It was a Lifetime Tamarack Angler kayak. And I don't own a kayak. I have a canoe, but it's 16 feet long and it's a it it's a bit heavy for me to carry by myself around if I decided to go fishing. So I decided it would be a nice thing to purchase, good toy for me to go in the little lakes and creeks and places where you really don't get see too many boats. As you can see, I'm on this Oak Creek right now, and I'm casting, and I caught a couple perch testing out the kayak, and it takes you to some really, really beautiful places. I'm happy that I purchased it. Now, this particular kayak is what they call a sit-on kayak, as opposed to a sit-in kayak that surrounds you. And it has a number of advantages, especially when you're fishing, like a rod holder and a place to put some fish or some equipment, dry holes, things like that. And it looks a lot similar to some of the more expensive kayaks that you see today. Anyway, it's a good thing for me to have because it's easy to carry around. And when I want to go fishing by myself, it makes life a lot less complicated.
Well, I just pulled in a perch. I can get him. There we go. Nice little perch. There's enough meat on it if you were really hungry you could eat them, but I'm going to let this little guy go. So I usually catch fish when I go out. You know, it's very rare. But, you know, when you don't have bait using a lure, it's not always the case. I don't want to leave them out too long because, you know, I don't want to hurt the little guy. But at least it's proof that I did catch something here today. Yep, there we go. Let's put him in the water. Let him go. But I'll take that one fish. It's just fishing. One thing about fishing, it's just kind of fun catching them. It's fun eating them too. You cook them up nice. You get a couple nice bass. Make some nice fillets. Very tasty. Fresh fish. Always good. Now you got pickerel here. You got largemouth bass. You got an assortment of crappies. So you just got to find them. I'm not into these little fish where you got a lot of bones because I don't need to be picking bones. I kind of like decent sized fish so I can get a nice fillet out of them. Hey, I got one. There we go. Whoa, nice fight. Oh, another perch. I'm sorry, little guy, but there you go. All right, not bad. These you could probably keep and eat, and a lot of people do eat them, and nothing wrong with it. I'll let them back in the water. There we go. So you see you can't catch fish out here, and well, I caught those two perch. I'm heading back now. There's the beaver dam over on my left. Looks like a couple of crows there picking, looking for fish and other things. They got something to eat. Got something to eat. I'm going to take my boat out on the other side of this beaver dam. I got my lure stuck in the front of the kayak. So I feel like trying to reach over there and unhook it, where I may fall in the water. I didn't want to cut the line because it's just a test for me coming here. Yeah, I'd love to go over that, but shouldn't be foolish. We'll take it out over here. Look at this little waterway where it goes in. I'll be darned. Probably could take it out over there. I don't know how shallow this thing is. Good test for my muck boots, huh? Oh boy. Alright, well, that was it. Get this kayak out. My shoulder's sore. How do we get this out? Alright, well.